taking a nap?
Where's that bag go?
He was tired of driving and got out of the car. He'll be back. He'll be back. Up!
So, Jakey, tell me the cars' names again. What are the cars?
Mikey!
Mikey 1 or Mikey 2?
Mikey 2!
And which one's Mikey 1?
Mikey 2!
And what are you drawing on that paper?
I'm tracing.
What are you making? Oh, you're tracing the car? I thought you made a road for the car.
Whoa. I don't find it. It's so bright.
So bright.
It's sunny out, that's why. See, Grammy drew the sun. Jake's making a sun too. Look at him. That's a very good sun. Jake, is that your sun?
Yeah, that's my son.
And where does the owl go in that picture?
Right there.
Where, in the tree?
That's the tree the owl lives.
And what is the owl's name? Hooty Hoot?
Oscar.
Oh, Oscar! I'm sorry, I thought it was Hooty Hoot.
No, that's what the owl says.
Oh, he says Hooty Hoot. What does he say?
What does the owl say?
Hooty Hoot.
Hooty Hoot? Does he say Hooty Poop?
No, Hoot Poop.
Hooty Poop or Hooty Hoot?
Hooty Poop.
Hooty Poop.